Oh, man. Hallelujah.
Good morning. Every weekend, baby. 6:50 a.m.
Sometimes I think Ashton just says yes
Yeah.
and not listens to me. Now I think I know how my wife feels when I do that to her.
Yeah, I'm just training you, dude. It's a two-way street.
Yes, honey.
Could you imagine being married to this guy? Seriously. Kaylee, I'm so sorry.
MacBook Pro and charger. Not here.
What happened to your MacBook, Jake?
My MacBook Pro. Crapbook Pro.
Oh!
It crapped out on me.
I thought Macs were supposed to be really reliable.
I was using it, doing some really intense work, like checking emails and stuff like that, and then I lock the screen, I walk away, I come back to unlock the screen, and the screen never turns on. That was the last we ever saw of it. Yeah, that computer's like 4 months old. Like $2,500. And the screen just went out on me. I really hate Apple, I hate Mac. But it's still the best option. It's still 10 times better than PC.
Bro.
Dolly shot?
Yeah. Great. It looks really
We did it with everything.
That almost went crashing over.
Yeah, that was almost bad.
Like, you know, the carousel thing where it's like, they're all attached? Yeah. We could do that too.
Gosh, Jake is seriously so strong. I'm starting to rethink if Kaylee is a lucky lady.
No. Oh my god. Oh, no, he can't do it.
Oh, yeah, Jake?
You have a couple empty slots on the carousel.
Ashton. Grab this. What's up? I'm taking over the vlog. It's like Hamlet now. You like the skull? Do one finger.
Oh my gosh. One more, come on, one more. Ugh.
One finger. Here we go.
You're bringing it back. What are you doing?
Squat through the truss. Ready? Here's the exit side. That was a baby more horrible. Was yesterday your actual birthday, Birdie?
No, my birthday was
Great placement of the speaker case right here. Get it out of here. Just don't drop the camera.
got a shard of metal in it.
Probably not a good spot.
Yeah.
This is here-ish. You know what? It's another opportunity for another workout.
Oh, another workout. All right, what do we have here?
Today, we've got overhead drum cover squats.
Overhead drum cover squats. One, come on. Come on, show me some lunges in there. Lunge squat, lunge squat.
Oh, my pants are gonna rip.
Hey, no one checked the numbers on the trusses, Ryan. So don't put they got put in the wrong spot. We gotta
You have to wear skin tight jeans.
Yeah,
That's really
and
important.
the more you work out, the tighter your jeans can get.
Right. Jake's trying to fix a major set problem with our MIDI networks, and they're talking about ketchup.
My brother's like, it's like 10 o'clock.
That's it. That's ready to go. This is called the mixer toss.
It's a really good idea. It's not even that expensive. Budget friendly.
Do you even CrossFit, bro?
I'll push you.
Cowabunga, bro! Dude, did you like spend some time in California?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro, look at those triceps.
You know what? I honestly kind of wish I was Kaylee.
Okay, guys, it's time for the keyboard press.
Dang, bro. Oh my gosh. So strong.
Yeah, man, I felt that was like probably one of the best Sundays.
Absolutely.
Best Sunday since Ashton's been back, that's for sure.
Zero problems. Your guys' voices
Yeah.
were awesome together. It was really good.
He felt so engaging, like one of those hype pictures.
You know, it actually,
You just need,
My
some
stories-
$500 sneakers.
I actually had less.
Darvin, what do you got for sneakers? Those are like what, $60 sneakers?
Wow, Darvin.
Dude.
That's what my tithe is going to.
These are
why you can't
$80 Chacos, man.
Wow, 80 bucks.
These are nice.
Be paying.
No, those are sweet boots, man.
Guy can't speak through unless you have like $800 sneakers.
Amen.
This is.
Wow.
You found the Preacher Sneakers Instagram?
Yeah, it's so funny.
It's amazing.
It's so
Yeah. All right.
All right, well.
Yeah, that felt awesome. You guys, that is what we are aiming. That's our aim.
Yeah.
That bar is where we want to be every week.
Yep.
Sweet.
So there's
I felt like there was a lot of visitors today too. Yeah.
All right, well.
See ya.